welcome to our YouTube channel. Nuggetlands focuses on family, fun, food, and function at home with small kids. We have a 4-year-old and 18-month-old, so I have plenty to write about. If you've seen our website, then you know I like to share parenting resources, recipes, home improvement projects, fun adventures around town, a little bit of everything, favorite products, and it's going to be fun to use this channel and bring those stories to life in a different way. I finally feel like I'm using my broadcasting degree that I got a long time ago. A little bit more about me. I was laid off from my marketing job last summer and was given an incredible severance, and I knew I wanted to stay home with my girls as long as financially possible. I also knew that that money wasn't going to last forever, so going back to work full-time is something that is going to happen eventually. I just didn't want to be rusty and out of the loop when I did decide to go back to the workforce. So I really love creating content and telling stories and sharing that with people, so I decided to start my own blog, and here we are. So I hope you subscribe. I would love to say that I'm going to put out a video every week, but I just don't know if it can happen between being a mom, trying to create content, and also consulting for some businesses in their marketing department. So I'm going to try for once a week, but we'll see what happens. In the meantime, subscribe and check out our latest video about our day down at the San Diego Natural History Museum. Such a fun day. The girls love the new exhibit called The Backyard, and the spins at the end are the very best. So watch till the end so you can see it.